expecting with some of those large trees being pushed down with this as it pushes really now along the county line. Next scan, we'll have it off to the west of Clinton. Highway 95, Highway 9, Clinton area really needs to keep an eye on this one just in case some of these winds at times reach the ground. I don't think the winds, 70 miles an hour this entire area, but at times some of those 60 to 70 mile per hour winds could occasionally clip, especially on the top of some of the hills in that area as you start to come down in elevation. Still warned for the next bit. That usually we see these winds kind of die down, get one good push. This one may sustain itself for a while and be interesting to see if we get any damage reports. I don't believe we have any iDrive Arkansas cameras in that region. We have one in Clinton, so if this can hold together to Clinton, hopefully it doesn't, but that would be our best opportunity to kind of see what this looks like in person, where everybody lives, where people's houses and businesses are. So, but definitely still a pretty good signature that this is going to be moving quickly into Van Buren County, especially Clinton southward, maybe right along the county line there as Highway 9 heads back down south towards I-40. Did they just issue a new warning or at least upgrade it? Earlier it was warned for 60.
They canceled for Pope County, but the storm is out of Pope County. Issues a severe thunderstorm warning, Garland, Montgomery, Perry, and Yell counties.
Yeah.
So a little bit farther south.
It looks like that tornado warning storm we had earlier has a severe thunderstorm warning on it right there. We're still watching a little bit of rotation, getting closer to Nevada County, but that doesn't seem too concerning right now. If they issue another tornado warning, we would have to come back on for that,
yes,
for the Nevada County area. But yeah, the winds, even when you zoom out far up, you can see just how bright these winds are. And this is just going to keep going there along the county line for a little bit longer. So if you're in this area, I don't know if your phones would have went off for this severe thunderstorm warnings unless you have an app that warns you about severe weather. But if you know people in this area, call them. Even back down towards Quitman, Greenbrier, I'd give them a call and say, hey, are you aware of these high winds about a county away? This is something that could last. Maybe that latest scan looking like it's starting to fall apart a little bit, but still some very high winds of at least 60 to 65, but would bet there's probably some wind gusts near 70 with that pocket of wind. Barry?
Starting to dive to the southeast a little bit. I'll get out of your way a little bit more here. And the biggest core is moving off a little bit to the south, but still from Clinton all the way down to Jerusalem, northwestern Conway County. This is Van Buren, that's Pope County. That's what we're looking at there. So just get into that safe spot in your house. We'll continue to watch this very closely. We'll watch for power outages, and we may come back on from time to time. But I just want to say, out in advance of this area with the bright, bright blues, I think we're going to have at least a time here, maybe 5-10 minutes of real potential for a lot of straight line wind damage, just pushing trees over, taking power lines down, perhaps peeling parts of roofs off houses. So this is a real concern to us, and it's not a tornado warning. We'll watch all the storms in western Arkansas, and to give you just an idea of what else is going around the state, we will back out. You can see all the way from the Little Rock area off to the east. There are numerous showers along the I-40 corridor there. But we're just watching the strongest storm up to the northwest of Morrilton, northeast of Russellville. And this storm now with some hail in it, not tornado-warned South Yell County, and one tornado-warned storm down into the northern part of Hempstead County that is moving toward Nevada County. We'll see if the Shreveport office of the National Weather Service continues a tornado warning with that storm a little bit later on. For now, be warned in this area where Van Buren, Conway, and Pope County all come together, because that is a real wind producer right there. It looks like it has a hail signature with it. But folks, a very rural area there, but I want you to just be aware that this could cause some real damage. We'll send it back to programming for right now. We are here watching it all evening long, and if conditions warrant or we get new information, we'll be breaking back into programming.
It's fine. It's fine. I've got the victim's housekeeper coming in. Do you want to join?
No. You got it.
I'll let you know when Pete's back.
Ligature marks between the victims are not consistent. House was unlocked. The intruder slipped in, Ethan called him, they fought. Ethan was strangled. And then Krista came in and she was strangled too. No, she would have screamed, run, called for help. Okay, so it was Krista who came in and surprised the intruder, and so then she was strangled first. That's not it either. Krista was alone. Krista was alone. The intruder came in on her.
I got 2 words for you. Loyalty program. Snag this hotel for $250 a night.
You didn't check Trivago? I got it for $155. Yo, Benny, this guy didn't check Trivago.
Oh, you have to check Trivago.
Look,